Good morning, children. Okay. Today we learn the dictation words.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. First you say what is the spelling of on?
O and on.
Okay. On spelling?
O and on.
Okay. Next you say what is the spelling of under?
U
D.
D E R.
Under. Yes, very good. Say the spelling once.
U N D E R. Under.
Okay. Next, what is the spelling of in? In. I N.
I
In.
N.
Okay. Thank you, children.